Hey everyone, here I have a very clean 2018 Volkswagen Beetle Convertible. This is a turbo model, and it does have that cloth soft top. This thing is in immaculate condition. The lady said she only drove it to work and back. On the inside, you will notice you do have your power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as that really nice piano black finish. The interior is extremely attractive. You got some really different finishes on the inside. The back seat, you can actually make some room back here. There's plenty of room up front, so just move your seat up, and definitely I could even fit back there, and I'm 5'10". Now on the inside, you do have your multi-function display up here. You do also have your automatic headlights, as well as your light control right here. Over here, you will notice you do have your AM, FM, XM, as well as your auxiliary USB down there. You do also get your push button start, as well as reversing camera. And I think this is really cool. It's like that wood finish, and then you press this. Then you do have a little storage compartment up here as well. Come check this Beetle out at Shockley Honda, 301-694-5400 or shockleyhonda.com. This vehicle will be sanitized before you arrive for your appointment.